Guys, this is Samsung Series 8 Space Max fridge freezer. This one is double door, fridge capacity 409 liters and 23 bags, freezer capacity 226, 13 bags, frost free, yes, energy rating is C. This one is 2279 currently. Got water cube and crush water dispenser here. See what it looks like. This is Samsung. Beautiful. And see what it looks like. Twin metal cooling. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units this end, and also 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Then you also have 1, 2 box this end, and also 2 this end. This is beautiful. Then from this you have water dispenser, and you also give you the information how to remove the ice bucket, to refit the ice bucket, normal operation. And also you got this unit here as well. And on this right side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got a lot of 5 units you can put stuff. So this is twin metal cooling. This deserves your attention. Got all the information you need here. And water filler must be installed, so you need to install this with water filler, and stuff that are inside it with the manual. And you also have the refrigerator water filler, so it's included. Okay, so this is really beautiful. So these are the things you can expect to get from this stuff. So they are in it. Just need to get someone to install this for you. But this is beautiful stuff that deserves your attention. Very nice, superb, and energy rating is C. This is beautiful Samsung Series 8 Space Max American style fridge freezer. Reduce food waste. This model has special tech that help keep your fruit and veg for longer. Adjust the temperature of the compartment to suit your need. The fridge and freezer are somewhere in between. This is really cool. This is nice. You also have like a smart fridge, so perhaps this is where you kind of adjust it. Have freezer, fridge, ice maker, water filter, and smart things. So this is probably where you need to, once you connected, you might need to adjust the temperature from this end or from the app. So I thought to show you this. This is beautiful. And from the menu, if you look on the menu, probably tell you also the features. You can also minimize electricity consumption, and and see what it looks like, installation and things you need to be aware. Because you have shelf, freezer shelf, refrigerator bin, normal model, dispenser features model. So these are the stuff you can expect to see inside. This is the manual here. Installation. This is beautiful stuff. So you have the manual that will help you to install this. Samsung 8 series space mask. Thank you.